Unboxing the Roblox mystery box. As you can see, you can get may include bonus accessories, and you get a virtual item in this box, guys. As you can see, it's currently wrapped in plastic. We got Jeffrey here. What do you think of this? He thinks it's pretty cool. Okay, guys, it's really hard to open. So I got the Roblox mystery box, guys. $7 at AB Games. We got Jeffrey here. What do you think of this? Yeah, I think he likes it. He likes it. Okay, guys, we got a white bag in here. There's nothing else in the box, just empty. We don't need this one now. Jeffrey can have this. What do you think, Jeffrey? Cool, cool. Okay, guys, let's open up this bag. Ooh, I can feel a couple things in here. Let's go to a little bit of a shake test. Sorry, it's fuck. Sorry, Jeffrey. Okay, let's open up this bag. Jeffrey, what the fuck? I'm sorry, guys. Okay, that's oh, it's a really hard bag to open up, guys. Okay, guys, I gotta open, guys. Oh, guys, we got he's white. Okay, guys, that's the top half of the body, guys. What do you think of that, Jeffrey? That's pretty cool. We got a what's this? It's a little booklet. I think that might have the virtual item code. Actually, no, this looks like that. Hey, guys, this is the exclusive virtual item code. Roblox.com/toys. We got the bottom half of the toy, and we have any accessories. We have what seems to be a sledgehammer, and the last item. What do you think this is, guys? Looks like a bit of a helmet. He has like a bit of a hole in his head, like my grandpa. Yeah, just plug that in, guys. Yeah, guys, look at that, guys. It goes on him pretty perfectly. We can also put the legs on him now. I think it goes that way, guys. It's really cool, guys. He also has a sledgehammer. We can give him the sledgehammer, guys. Jeffrey thinks this is really cool. Hey, Jeffrey, want to have a turn on this? That's cool, Jeffrey. Hey guys, Jeffrey's fucking dead. But anyway, guys, we got this cool toy. I reckon that was worth the money. If you guys enjoyed, I might, if I get enough likes, I might be giving away the exclusive virtual item code. Anyway, guys, if you guys want to win this exclusive virtual item code, all you have to do is subscribe, like, and comment, I like kids.